Hello everyone, one more time I welcome you all within VS Masterclass Maya. We already covered a bit of graphical user interface of Maya. From there only we will start this video. Within this video we will cover that how we can create an object and how we can place the same object according to our requirement. We just quickly need to go over the top of our menu, and from where we can fetch polygon primitives. Here we have multiple objects, as we know how to fetch object within Maya. So here if I click cube will automatically be created by the Maya. If we disable this option called interactive creation, actually if you begin with Maya for the very first time, you will get the same option disable. So ideally it is not the right way to create an object of your choice, because by default Maya is creating an object for you, and the same object will be created at the extreme center of the viewport, or you can say this grid, the mat you are observing within this viewport called grid. This is spreading at the center, the mat spreading at the center of this viewport called grid. Over the grid, at the center of grid, Maya will create an object for you by default. So what you need to do, you just need to enable this. I am just deleting this object, and now if I click over cube, so Maya will help you to create an object wherever you want. Suppose I just want to create one cube from this corner of the grid, so I can create. But the problem is, this is a good way to create an object. Like I can also create a sphere, a cylinder, a cone we can also create, and we can also create a torus. That is how we can create. But the problem is how we can move the objects. If I select one object of our choice, like I'm selecting a cube, so here at left hand side you will see move, you will see rotate, and you will also see an option to scale an object. So one by one I just share with you that how you can move, rotate or scale. We also have shortcuts for the same. W is for movement, E is for rotation, and R you just need to press to scale a selected object. So one by one we will see everything. Like let me delete everything, and now if we have an object, so we can move. You just need to press W, or you can click directly over this. Ideally you just need to use the shortcuts, because this is the actually professional way to work within a tool like Maya. So similarly I am also doing the same. I am pressing W, I will press E if I just want to rotate this, I have to press R if I just want to scale it. So press W if you just want to move in multiple direction. Like if you just want to move your object X direction, you can move. Red actually the color for X axis, green is the color for Y axis, and blue is the color for Z axis. So we can move like this. Very precisely you have to click over the arrow, then only you can move your object on a proper path. If you just want to move wherever you want, like you don't have a specific way or path in which you just want to move your object, or in other words randomly if you just want to move your object, so you can pick your object from the center of it and you can move your object wherever you want to, and you can place it. Similarly if I just press E, so we have the access of the rotation tool. By this we can rotate our object from X axis, Y axis and Z axis, or from the center we can rotate our object like this. We can animate such movement, rotation also. Similarly if you just want to scale your object, press R. I just want to scale the same object in Z axis, so we can scale it like this, we can scale it in y-axis, we can scale it in x-axis, or if we just scale from the center, so uniformly you are scaling your object from the center of it. So I hope you like this video also, because in that specific video we cover a bit more if you compare the same video from the last one, where we just have a look that how we can work within Maya. In this video we are checking that how we can move, rotate or scale objects within Maya. So I hope you like. We will see something amazing in next video also. Keep watching this segment, and I am very sorry I forgot to mention, if you like, you just need to click like button. If you feel that the channel is worthy, you can subscribe and you can share among the similar type of community you belongs to. Thank you very much one more time.